but responsibility. Victory brings with it a burden. The burden to build a stronger Pakistan. The burden to ensure that the sacrifices made are honored not only in words, but in action. What does this mean? This means investing in our people, in education, in health, and in opportunity. It means strengthening our economy so that no external pressure can dictate our destiny. It means pursuing peace, not as a sign of weakness, but as a reflection of strength. For we do not fear peace, we seek it. But let it be clear. Peace must be just, peace must be dignified, and peace must be mutual. The youth of Pakistan, to them, this victory truly belongs. To you, as much as it does to any institution or any individual. You are the custodians of this nation's future. You are the generation that must transform resilience into progress and courage into creativity. Do not inherit this victory as memory. Inherit it as a mission. Let us all remember those who paid the ultimate price, those whose names are etched not just in stone, but in the conscience of this nation. We owe them more than gratitude. We owe them a Pakistan worthy of their sacrifice. 1 year ago, the world watched Pakistan. Some doubted us, some underestimated us. Today, the world knows Pakistan stands, Pakistan endures, and Pakistan prevails. And let me say this, in the spirit of those who have come before us, we are not a nation that bows before pressure. We are not a nation that compromises its sovereignty. We are a nation that rises again and again, stronger, prouder, and more united. Long live Pakistan. Long live the will of its people. Pakistan, Hamesha, Zindabad.